Hello, assalamu alaikum everybody. Today I will show how to make a angle support. So at first we are going to the front plane, then Control 8. After that go to the sketch and select the line command, then draw the line, another line, okay, escape, go to the smart dimension, click on one line and take it 2 inch, then select another line, so it will be also 2 inch, okay, then click, then close the drawing, go to the features and select the extrude boss or base, then click on line, okay, then we are watching the blind will be replaced by the mid plane, and we can do it 0.1 to 2 inch, okay, then click, okay. Again we are going to the front plane, go to the reference geometry, select the plane, and it will be start from the origin, so it will be 0 plane, okay, then Control 8. After that go to the sketch, select the line command, click in one point, click on another point, escape, then dimension from higher point to the one point of that line, it will be 1 inch, okay, then another point, okay, it will be 0.7, okay, done. Then click on the green sign, close the drawing and click the Control 7, then go to the features, see the rip command which is up of the draft command, so click on that line, should be 0.1 in both sides, we select, then okay, done it, very well. Thank you everybody for watching this video.